Hello friends, Reg here of Digital Reg, and I have something new to unbox today, and it's from our friends at Republic of Gamers. So yes, what's inside is one of their newest gaming laptop, the ROG Strix G531, aka the SCAR III. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. By the way, we would like to thank our friends from ASUS Philippines and Billman for loading us the evaluation unit of the ROG Strix SCAR III. And back to the unboxing, there are actually one box and the other is filled up with this nice ROG backpack. And this is a newer version of the ROG, I think there's the ROG Ranger, if I'm not mistaken. It's a nice bag, and I wish I could keep it, but I will not keep it. But it's a nice bag. When you purchase an ROG SCAR III, this backpack is included. That's why you will get this big box. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this main box over here, and when it opens, the laptop kind of props up. Well, it's supposed to, there you go, now it props up. Alright, so there's the SCAR III, my friends. When I'm going to open that later. Power cable. Then we also have the ROG power brick. USB cable, I'm not sure what it's for, but just gonna place it over there. And this one at the center. Alright, so these are some user guides, some pamphlets. Let's check it out. Ooh, aha! So this is the Keystone, right? This is the Keystone over here. It comes with a keychain, but if ever you're going to use the Keystone, then all you need to do is just simply remove it. On the other side, okay, this is the ROG Gladius 2 mouse. Alright, and there you go. And this is the webcam. I believe this is the, oh yeah, so this is the webcam. This is the webcam, guys, and this is the stand. There you go. Okay, I think I know the USB cable that that I saw earlier. I think that is for the webcam over here. So yeah, I'm not sure how this works, but we'll figure it out later. But anyway, yeah. So I'm going to remove the plastic over here, and what a beauty. The SCAR III, coming from the Zephyrus line. Well, if you guys haven't known by now, I've been using an ROG Zephyrus GX531 since November of last year, and I'm enjoying its ultra slim design, and it's lightweight. This one, it's like going back to those old times where you lug around your thick laptop, and I was able to experience that a decade ago. And prior to having a Zephyrus, I had a GL502BS, so I know the feeling. But nevertheless, even though that this laptop is like 26.2 millimeters thick, it packs a lot of stuff, a lot of features that you'll not regret of having in this gaming laptop. This weighs around 2.6 kilograms, if I'm not mistaken, or 2.8 kilograms. and you know, I could really feel the weight of this gaming laptop. The lid, it seems that it's made of metal, but I'm not sure. But normally the Strix line is made of plastic, but this one has a gunmetal finish, and I'd like to think that this one is made of aluminum, but I'm going to confirm that with ASUS. And before I open the lid, let me show you the parts of this laptop. So you have here the Keystone slot. So the Keystone, the one this one over here. Once you insert the Keystone into this slot, it's going to be able to automatically personalize your SCAR III. So your RGB lighting, your settings, even your personal secret files will all be present once it's inserted. But once you remove the Keystone, as far as I know, once you remove the Keystone from the SCAR III, all your settings and even your personal files, your secret files, will be removed. So nobody will be able to see it. Nobody would be able to know what kind of settings you have on this gaming laptop. So that's the Keystone slot, and at the back are vents where the airflow would go in, and you have here an RJ45. I've been noticing the ROG and TUF gaming laptops that were released this year all have RJ45 slots again. I think they would like to encourage high-speed gaming. If Wi-Fi is unreliable, you can just simply plug in your Ethernet cable into the slot, and you'll be able to game properly. You have an HDMI cable, and you have HDMI port rather, and you have a Type-C port right over here. The power jack is also located at the back, which is nice. And you have here on the left side are 3 USB ports and one 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's it. Let's go ahead and open up the lid. Remove this thing, and there you go. One thing you will notice on the trackpad, it now has a number pad. This is the same type of number pad that you would see in the ZenBook line. So if you tap on the num lock for like a couple of seconds, it will turn the number screen on, and you can, crunch some numbers right on the touchpad. Then, or if you rather use it as a touchpad, then you just turn it off by touching this area for like a couple of seconds, and it will be turned off. So your keyboard only has the regular keys. The number pad is now placed in the trackpad. Let's turn this on. The power button is over here, and this variant that we have right now is the most powerful in the SCAR III variants, because there are the i5, i7, and i9 processors available, and there are also different types of RTX GPUs. What we have here is the top of the line, where it's powered by an Intel Core i9 9th gen processor, and its GPU has RTX 2070. So wow, I mean, I never thought that they would send this kind of laptop to me. I've never ever held an i9 powered laptop before, more so with an RTX 2070 GPU. So this is a very, very powerful laptop that we have here. Aside from having a Core i9 processor, and the RTX 2070 GPU. Right, this laptop over here has thin bezels, and not only that, it has 240 Hertz refresh rate. This is a lot more than the usual 144 Hertz refresh rate that the ROG laptops were included last year. Even my Zephyrus S has 144 Hertz. But this one has 240 Hertz. What would you expect when you game? It will be a lot more smoother. It still feels good that you have this feature with this top-of-the-line SCAR III gaming laptop. Yeah, so that's our unboxing for the ROG Strix G531 SCAR III. You can buy this gaming laptop at the ROG stores from Vilman. You would see them on your screen right now. And then we'll be taking this gaming laptop for a spin for the next couple of weeks. Expect a review by then, a full review. If you have any questions about the ROG SCAR III, let us know by leaving your questions in the comment section, and we'll try to answer them as soon as possible. So please don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, we'll see you in our next video.